Have you ever wondered how the countless hours spent scrolling on social media impact your health? In our busy existence, social media has become a constant presence. It's a morning news source, an entertainment during lunch breaks, and a means to unwind in the evening. This digital world reflects, magnifies, and occasionally distorts our reality. On the positive side, it offers remarkable opportunities. It connects us globally, enabling us to share experiences with loved ones regardless of distance. It gives a platform to otherwise unheard voices and provides easy access to a plethora of information, but it's not without its drawbacks. Each interaction can either boost or break our self-esteem. The norm of comparing ourselves with others' carefully crafted life snapshots can make us feel insufficient. Cyberbullying, empowered by the internet's anonymity, is a lurking threat. In the United States, research reveals that over 2/3 of people use social media, with many dedicating more than 2 hours daily to these platforms. This excessive use has been associated with heightened anxiety, depression, loneliness, and reduced self-esteem in various studies. It's crucial to understand that social media's impact, positive or negative, is determined by its usage. This digital tool is akin to a double-edged sword that can either connect or isolate, enlighten or mislead, uplift or degrade. As we traverse this digital terrain, we mustn't overlook how our online experiences significantly affect our offline mental health. Give this some thought as we delve deeper into the effects of social media on mental health. So, what does the research say about social media and our mental health? Various studies conducted globally have delved into the intricate links between social media usage and its impact on mental health. The findings are enlightening and thought-provoking. A significant study by the Royal Society for Public Health in the UK uncovered that social media platforms, while bringing about positive communication pathways, are associated with increased levels of anxiety, depression, sleep disturbances, and body image distortions primarily among the youth. An enlightening piece of research conducted by the University of Pennsylvania underscored that excessive engagement social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat triggers feelings of isolation and depression. The study underlined that the more time individuals dedicated to these platforms, the more they were likely to experience deteriorating mental health. However, research isn't painting an entirely bleak picture. Another study from the Pew Research Center proposes that social media usage is not universally harmful. This research found that a significant number of social media users did not report experiencing heightened stress. But it also highlighted that certain behaviors or specific uses of social media could indeed be associated with increased stress levels. In a nutshell, while social media harbors the potential to be a powerful instrument for connectivity and fostering communities, its excessive and unregulated usage could catalyze feelings of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. It carries the weight of a double-edged sword. When not handled judiciously, it can lead to more damage than benefits. The aforementioned findings aren't intended to instill fear or dissuade us from using social media. Rather, they serve as a crucial reminder to maintain a fine balance in our digital consumption. It's important to realize that while it's perfectly fine to use social media, it's equally imperative not to allow it to control our lives. The insights gathered from these studies can serve as a guiding light for all of us navigating the complex digital landscape. Equipped with a better understanding of the implications, we're now ready to delve deeper into managing our digital habits effectively. Now that you have a better understanding of the impact, it's time to explore how to navigate this digital landscape. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We've carefully handpicked some fitness products that might support your mental health improvement journey. These are listed in the description box. These aids can foster a healthier tech relationship. Now let's continue to learn how to manage our social media usage for a healthier mind. How can we then make our interaction with social media a positive experience? The answer lies in adopting a balanced and moderate approach, much like maintaining a balanced diet. We would not consume candy bars all day, and similarly, we should not immerse ourselves in social media continually. It's about implementing strategies that ensure social media does not dominate our everyday lives. The first strategy involves setting time limits on our social media usage. Most of us are unaware of the significant amount of time spent aimlessly scrolling through social media feeds. By assigning a specific time limit each day, we can prevent social media from consuming our lives. Remember, it's perfectly acceptable to miss out on a few posts or updates. The world of social media continues to spin, even if we are not always in. The second strategy focuses on curating a positive social media feed. We often follow certain accounts or individuals due to societal obligations or their popularity. But the question is, do they add value to your day? Do they energize or exhaust you? It's essential to follow accounts that inspire, uplift, and contribute positively to your self-esteem. The final strategy revolves around the concept of regular digital detoxes, which can greatly enhance our mental health. A digital detox refers to a voluntary period of disconnection from all digital devices. It acts as a mental reset button. This break could range from an hour before bedtime, a whole day on a weekend, or even a week-long hiatus. During these detoxes, engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. This can include reading a book, taking a leisurely walk, practicing meditation, or enjoying quality time with loved ones. The idea behind digital detox is to temporarily disconnect from the virtual world and reconnect with the world around us. Remember, social media is simply a tool. It's neither inherently good nor bad. Its impact is determined by the way we choose to use it. By setting time limits on usage, curating positive content, and taking regular digital detoxes, we can transform our interaction with social media into a healthier, more rewarding experience. These practical steps can help us maintain our mental well-being in the digital age. The key to navigating the impact of social media on mental health is awareness. Awareness is the understanding of the considerable influence social media has on our mental state. It pertains to the recognition of signs pointing towards unhealthy use of social media and calls for proactivity in protecting our mental health. Social media, like any other tool, holds no innate moral value. Its impact is solely determined by our usage. Used mindfully, social media can foster connections with our loved ones, ignite creativity, and serve as a platform for learning. But when used without thought, it can become a catalyst for feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and depression. Mindfulness about social media usage is the cornerstone of maintaining a healthy balance. It involves setting boundaries and knowing when it's time to disconnect. It requires us not to equate our worth to the number of likes or comments we receive, and perceive the virtual world with a clear understanding that it's not entirely real or representative of life. But awareness is not just about recognizing social media's potential harm, it's also about identifying when we might need to seek help. If social media usage begins to cause significant distress or interfere with your daily life, it's time to consider professional assistance. Mental health professionals can equip us with strategies to manage the stress and anxiety that can stem from social media use. Self-care plays a crucial role in maintaining mental health in this digital era. It can manifest as a digital detox, practicing mindfulness, or just spending time with our loved ones offline. Remember, it's completely acceptable to take a break, to prioritize your mental well-being over social media. The power of awareness in navigating the world of social media is immense. It's an amalgamation of understanding, recognizing, and responding to the impact that social media can have on our mental health. Remember, your mental health is more important than any post, like, or comment. In conclusion, social media is a tool, and like any tool, the impact depends on how we use it. Just as a hammer can build or tear down, social media can help us grow or cause harm. The difference lies in our understanding and the steps we take towards cultivating beneficial social media habits. Today, we've explored the dual nature of social media and how it influences our mental health. We've examined its impact and underscored the importance of being conscious of our emotional reactions to our social media usage. It's crucial to understand that it's okay to disconnect and look after our mental well-being. We've highlighted the need to foster healthier social media habits. Setting time limits and creating a positive online atmosphere can significantly mitigate the negative impact of social media on our psyche. We've underscored the importance of mindfulness. Paying attention to our social media habits is the first step to establish a healthier bond with technology. It's vital to understand that our self-worth is not measured by the number of likes, comments, or followers we have. And with that note, we conclude today's discussion. It's a journey, and we're all in it together. So, let's keep the dialogue going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your mental health matters, and together, we can traverse the digital world in a healthier way.